Hi, Professor. It's Lynn. I think I figured out the technical issue I was having with Screen-O-Matic or Screencast-O-Matic. Um, the program was not finding the computer's microphone, so I will double check and make sure there is sound before I send this up. My bold statement is done. I'm letting it kind of simmer. Let me think about it a little bit before I make any final edits and send it up. Really, it's only because I've changed so much in 5 weeks, I can't even believe it, for the better. My perspective on leadership and leading and my degree and my future plans have altered so much that I just kind of want to take a few days and get some clarity and make sure that the bold statement is really reflective of how I feel. I've written the paper for this class. I have edited it once. I will go back and edit it at least one or two more times this week just to make sure that I'm happy with it and happy with the results. I have to make sure that my ideas are connecting and are seamless. The PowerPoint the formatting is done, and I'm ready to start doing the voiceovers, which I will do today as I work on the scripts for that PowerPoint. And it's been an interesting 6 weeks. I've enjoyed my time in this class, and thank you very much for everything.